Good evening and welcome to EBEONADI103.5FM News Updates. Today, Friday, the 13th day of December 2024, and the time is 3 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Shuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Anambra 2025, Abga chieftain intensifies a grassroots mobilization for Soludo. Tide, police arrest robbers, recover arms in Enugu. Insecurity, Southeast indigents may be afraid to return home for Christmas. Ex-Abia lawmaker Shetima presides over neck meeting in Aso Villa. Two important strikers missing. Galatasaray coach admits losing influential player Oshime is a blow. After son hunter Joe Biden pardons 39 people, commits sentences of 1,500 others. Now, details. Anambra 2025, Abga chieftain intensifies a grassroots mobilization for Soludo, a chieftain of the All Progressive Grand Alliance Abga in Umuawolo community, Okasa local government area of Anambra State. High Chief Azubike Austin Ekwozo Ide Umuawolo has commenced a mobilization campaign for Governor Chukwumacha Soludo's second term bid. Chief Ekwozo, who spoke to journalists on Wednesday after meeting with Umuawolo Ward Party executives and stakeholders, expressed his support for the governor, citing his impressive performance in just 2 years and 8 months in office. According to Oposo, the governor's achievements have surpassed those of his predecessors, adding that there is no vacancy in Anambra State Government House in 2025. Soludo has taken public service to a higher level and has raised the bar as far as governance is concerned. His style of governance is the opposite of brigandage, which other district politicians have exemplified in the past. His resounding performances in job creation, youth empowerment, roads and rural infrastructure, industrialization, health, and education within the above-mentioned period has given him the second-term victory. He stated. Tide, police arrest robbers and recover arms in Enugu. Enugu State Police Commander said its operatives arrested two male armed robbery suspects in Enugu as part of its operations to guarantee peaceful Tide. The State Police Commander Public Relations Officer DSP Daniel Ndukwe disclosed this in a statement on Thursday. Police operatives from Ababa Division, in collaboration with the Neighborhood Watch Group on November 22nd, 2024, around 10:30 p.m., arrested a male suspect, Daniel Anude, age 29, of number 27 Ishinkenise Street, Ababa, Nike, Enugu. The suspect and his accomplices who fled were intercepted in an act of robbing a female victim. One imitation pistol was recovered during the operation, following the conclusion of further investigations by the anti-robbery D9 section of the state CID. Anude was arraigned in court and remanded in the Nigerian Correctional Custodial Services. Another male suspect, also David, age 25, from Isu community in Anocha local government area of Ebonyi State, was arrested on November 12, 2024, around 2 p.m. by operatives from the Nkano East Division, supported by neighborhood watch members and vigilant citizens. The suspect had earlier chartered a tricycle from Holy Ghost Enugu to Nara in Nkano East local government area. Insecurity. Southeast indigents may be afraid to return home for Christmas. Ex-Abia lawmaker, a former member of the Abia State House of Assembly, Obinna Ishita, has said that many indigents of the Southeast residing outside the region may not return for the Christmas and New Year celebrations because of security concerns. Ishita, who represented Aba South constituency in the House of Assembly, challenged the leaders of the Southeast to speak out against the present situation rather than keeping quiet. In a statement he made available journalists in Umuahia on Thursday, Ishita appealed to President Bola Tinubu to directly activate the process of releasing IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu through alternative dispute resolution mechanism. The former Abia lawmaker who condemned the killing of security agents and civilians in the southeast said that the release of Kanu will not only portray the president as a unifier but make Nigeria an example of people solving their problems without external directives. He said many people have cancelled their planned trips to the east this festive season due to many incidents of kidnapping and attacks on security operatives. Shetima presides over NEC meeting in Aso Villa. Vice President Kashim Shetima presided over a closed-door meeting of the National Economic Council at the Presidential Villa, Abuja. The meeting, which is the last one for the year 2024, commenced at 11:30 a.m. with a reasonable number of governors, including those of Cross River, Imo, and Gombe, among others in attendance. However, some states are also being represented by their deputy governors. The federating states and their governors will also receive presentations from members of President Bola Tinubu's economic team, focusing on issues including the tax reform bill and other economic matters that related to the 2025 fiscal year. Already, a number of states have been proactive in the submission of their budgetary proposal to their state assemblies ahead of 2025. Two important strikers missing. Galatasaray coach admits losing influential player Oshime is a blow. Galatasaray manager Okan Buruk has admitted that losing key centre forward Victor Oshime is a significant blow ahead of their Europa League match against Malmo. The Nigerian national teamer will not be included in the game day squad to face Malmo on Thursday due to a muscle injury he suffered in the Turkish Super League encounter against Sivasspor last weekend. Galatasaray are facing an injury crisis in attack ahead of the Europa League fixture, with three other forwards set to miss out in addition to Oshime. Joining Oshime in the Galatasaray treatment room are striker Maru Icardi and the wingers Avaris Alba and Ismaila Jacobs. The reigning African Footballer of the Year has been Galatasaray's most influential player since his loan move from Napoli in September 2024, with the Lion yet to taste defeat in the 13 games he has played. Galatasaray are topping the Super League table with 38 points, six more than bitter rivals Fenerbahce, and are well placed to advance to the round of 16 of the Europa League. You are listening to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Now we move over to the foreign scene. After son Hunter, Joe Biden pardons 39 people, commits sentences of 1,500 others. Outgoing U.S. President Joe Biden said on Thursday he was pardoning 39 people convicted of non-violent crimes and committing the sentences of nearly 1,500 others who were serving long prison terms. The pardons and the clemency came over a week after the president signed an unconditional pardon for his son Hunter. Officials said last week that the White House was listening to demands for Biden to extend the same grace to thousands of people wronged by the U.S. judicial system. The commutations on Thursday were announced for those who were placed on home confinement during the COVID-19 pandemic. Biden said these people would have received shorter sentences if charged under today's laws, policies, and practices. As a president, I have the great privilege of extending mercy to people who have demonstrated remorse and rehabilitation, restoring opportunity for Americans to participate in the daily life and contribute to their communities, and taking steps to remove sentencing disparities for non-violent offenders, especially those convicted of drug offenses, Biden said. This is where we draw the curtain on news updates on Airborne and the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Anambra 2025, APGA chieftain intensifies a grassroots mobilization for Soludo. Tide, police arrest robbers, recover arms in Enugu. Insecurity, Southeast indigents may be afraid to return home for Christmas. Ex-Abia lawmaker Chetima presides over neck meeting in Aso Villa. Two important strikers missing. Galatasaray coach admits losing influential player Osimhen is a blow. After Son Hunter, Joe Biden pardons 39 people, commits sentences of 1,500 others. You just listened to news update on Ebona the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Epanjuku Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
Listen to news updates on Ebona the 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona the FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. The challenges of documenting memories in the 21st century is gone. When you have Ebona the 103.5 FM here, what are you celebrating today? Birthdays, wedding anniversary, traditional wedding, chieftaincy conferment, or fala, etc. Approach Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi today to document your event. Ebona the 103.5 FM offers you live coverage of your events on radio and social media, video and photo coverages, feature on magazines, photo books and others, news coverage of political and other events. Take this offer and receive a complete coverage. For more information, call or WhatsApp 08065796599 or you visit Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi opposite Ogunike Boys inside the European Residency Hotel Ogidi.
There is boy child, Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day.
Christmas this year, 2024, is going to be off the hook.
where are my choristers?
Kedu ndị ụka anyị ikwu ukwe na-amasị?
As Ebona the 103.5 FM present Ebona the Christmas Carol of 9 lessons live performance
Featuring
Zion Choir and Teresa Catholic Church, Umuonia.
Our Ladies Catholic Church Choir Ogidi and the St. Michael and All Angels Anglican Church Choir Ogidi.
Ebona the on-air personalities and many choristers.
Nakwa ndị ọzọ.
It is happening at the European Residency Hotel, Ogidi, which will take place on the 15th of December 2024. The Christmas Carol party will start by 2 o'clock.
For inquiries and sponsorship, please call us on 080-657-96599.
Ebona the 103.5 FM, Christmas Carol. Come, let's worship Christ the Lord, the season of love.
Christmas Day, there is boy child, Jesus Christ was born on Christmas
Mgbe maka dịzị ya na-agba egwu. Dada ihe nsogbu.
Ebona the 103.5 FM. Napapowa production. Police vigilante. My business. When I was telling you, AJ radio drama, there we go. AJ radio drama, here we go. Gonna dialogue every Monday, 8 o'clock p.m. Broadcast on Saturday, 3 o'clock p.m. Now, Ebona the 103.5 FM.
If you Oh, I finished on this. Yeah.
Amara mi le wa di la mo. Ko ma ku na ka do na ra ko na ni ko na. Nke ka ku ja wona ala ma ku na ya mo le.
Residency Hotels Leofino Ogidi. Ogidi's #1 place for all type of events. Burunia Dewa from corporate to social gathering or any type of parties, even end of year parties on the club. We have air-conditioned hall and outdoor space of a very good capacity. When Nebiano, come, let us celebrate your event in style. Residency Hotel Leofino Ogidi. If you are somebody with a taste, when Emmanuel back in the I want delicious meals, drinks and spirits brewed in different parts of the world. For booking, call 081 45 67 8901. One more. Come, let's make your event come through the way it's dream or your plan of wire. Residency Hotels Leofino Gidi or Gidi's best place for premium events. Ask Conan Namaboroge, Wakazian
Oge ndị ime ahịa bụ nnekwu ohere ewepụtara maka ịkwalite ebe ite mmetụ aka gị ma ụlọ azụmahịa gị. Mara na ihe dị mma n'anya bụ nwanne. Kedu uru oge ndị ime ahịa ga-abara gị?
Uru oge ndị ime ahịa ga-abara gị bụ site n'oge ndị ime ahịa ị ga-enweta nnukwu ohere akpọrọ discount n'ọnụ bekee maka ịkwalite ebe azụmahịa gị. Mara na ya bụ ohere ga-amalite mgbe ọbụla ebe ọ na-adị wuchiri kpọmkwem n'ime ahịa.
Keduzi ihe ị na-eche? Gbapụ ya ọsọ kpọtụrụ ndị 103.5 FM na akara ekwentị ndị a na 08065796599 ọzọkwa na 08065796599. Oge ndị ime ahịa, oge nnekwu ohere.
Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at EBEONADI103.5 FM with Martin. Is here every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to EBEONADI103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date. How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on EBEONADI FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be. Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community, Street Report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the root of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin, every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on EBEONADI103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face. On EBEONADI 24/7, 24/7.
I see you in it, I'm winning.
The reason why most people complain about the hardship in the country today is the lack of knowledge of how to make money in dollars. There will be a seminar where you will get the opportunity to learn how to make money in dollars using your mobile phone. Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, you're welcome.